it. Okay, so by the way, good morning po sa lahat ng mga nasa Zoom and sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa ating FB Live. Ayan. So I'm Cherry D. Guzman from Sucat, Parañaque and from Agoncillo, Batangas. So good morning sa aking mga kababayan na taga Agoncillo, taga Lemery. Okay. So by the way po, ginamit ko yung product for weight loss. Initially, yan yung goal ko talaga na mag-lose ng weight. So, nag-try ako ng program for 10 days and natuwa ako sa pakiramdam ko kasi gumaan and nag-lose ako ng 4 pounds in just 10 days. So, kinontinue ko po siya kasi nga nagustuhan ko yung aking pakiramdam. Consistently, correctly, ginamit ko yung program. Sabi ng coach ko, mag-add daw ako ng 30 minutes exercise kahit na 30 minutes lang. So, amazingly, nag-lose po ako ng 36 pounds and 5 inches in my waistline. And ang nag-gain back ko po yung aking energy at the same time, nawala yung mga discomforts ko na nararamdaman. At age 58, wala po akong medications, wala akong minamaintain na gamot. So, doon pa lang po, super grateful na ako. Kaya, kinontinue ko yung product, sinare ko sa aking family and friends. So, by the way, ang background ko po, dati po akong businesswoman for 17 years. Next slide po. Ang business ko po is, ano po ako, soft drinks dealer po ako. Sorry, Coach Nida. Soft drinks dealer po ako. So, ang ayaw ko lang po dun sa business ko, yes, kumikita, pero ang nangyari lang is, nawala yung freedom of time ko, wala akong time na kumain sa tamang oras, and bumaba po yung aking self-esteem kasi nga medyo lumaki ako, so nawala ang confidence ko sa aking sarili. So grateful ako na na-introduce ito talaga sa akin ng aking sponsor. Why? Kasi dito ko nakita sa Herbalife yung hinahanap ko talaga na freedom of time kasi sa dati kong business, pag meron ako na meron kaming mga family occasions, hindi po talaga ako nakaka-join dito sa Herbalife. Nung ginawa ko na siya, ay yung freedom of time ko, lagi ko nakasama yung family ko sa lahat ng events. And ang maganda pa yung mission ng company talaga na ito yung hinahanap ko na makapag-share, makatulong sa ating mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, and sa community. So ano lang po yung ginawa ko, nag-attend ako ng training, dinrab ko po yung 50% kasi sabi sa akin ng sponsor ko, pag 50% ka, makaka-attend ka ng higher training. So yun po yung ginawa ko, nag-share lang po ako, nag-share, and doon sa na-mention ni Coach Jess na spectacular, yun din po yung aking big local events. Kasi nga po doon ko nakita yung mission, vision, and doon ko na-build yung confidence ko na ang ganda pala talaga ng Herbalife Nutrition. So, yung last training po na na-attendan ko, na-qualify ko po because of my hard work, na-qualify ko po yung ating Dream Team Retreat last time sa Bohol po. And ang maganda doon is na naisama ko yung aking husband. So now po, dalawa na kaming gumagawa ng siya part-time kasi meron pa po siyang work. Pero ang maganda doon, isasama ko na siya, open na siya for business din. So yung support ng husband is nandoon. And yun po yung pinakagusto ko na may time kaming mag-bonding habang nag-age kami. Meron kami na bukod sa natututo kami sa mga trainings. And kahit saan, ang maganda sa ating Herbalife is kahit nasaan kang lugar, pwede mo itong gawin as long as you have internet. Makakakonect ka sa iyong mga customers. Okay. That's why we really love Herbalife. So proceed na po tayo sa aking topic. Ang topic ko po is about healthy breakfast. Ito po ay na-share, itong article na to, na-share ni Ms. Susan Bowerman, our Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. Ayan. So next slide po. Choosing the right breakfast, the right foods for breakfast can help boost energy and control, sabi niya. So sabi nga po, we all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, di ba? Kasi it breaks the overnight fasting period. Sabi niya, eating a healthy breakfast can set our mind for healthier eating all day long. Ayan. And ang breakfast natin most likely ay hindi tayo makaka-experience ng mid-morning cravings for unhealthy foods pagka maayos yung ating breakfast. And like nang na-mention ni Coach Annalyn kanina, pag nag-skip naman tayo ng breakfast, mas lalo po tayo magigain ng weight. Why? Because hindi natin namimit ang recommended daily intakes of fiber, mga vitamins and minerals na kailangan ng katawan natin. So ano po ba yung good breakfast? Next slide po. Ayan. It is a meal that provides our body with the necessary nutrients to start the day off, right? So, syempre, dito sa Herbalife Nutrition, ang pinopromote natin ay balance. It should have 40% carbohydrates because our body maintains ito yung ating source of energy. So, dapat we choose to piliin natin yung mga complex carbs like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, which are digested more slowly and provide steady source of energy in the morning. So, not only that, kailangan din natin ng 30% of protein. It is important for building and repairing our tissues and can help feel full, satisfied. Ayan po. So, we need also 30% healthy fats kasi essential yan para sa ating brain function and overall health. So, but also, we also need hydration kasi importante ito to stay hydrated throughout the day. So, avoid po tayo sa sugary drinks but because it contributes sa weight gain natin and other health problems mixed with tea. So, napakasarap po niyan. Okay, so there are several, next slide po. There are several things a good breakfast can do, sabi niya. So, a healthy breakfast is a meal that keep you fueled up until your next meal or snack. Kasi it means providing your body with enough energy and nutrients para masustain natin yung until the next meal. So, this can be a combination of foods that are high in protein to satisfy hunger and also yung mga combination po ng high fiber na makakatulong sa atin to feel full longer. So it can also supply your body and brain with energy. Bakit po? Kasi in the morning, our body's gas tank is running close empty. Kasi pag tulog tayo, wala tayong kakaunti or ang ating body is still using energy to perform various functions like yung pag-breath, yung pag-maintain ng ating body temperature, and nagre-repair ang ating mga cells, diba? So when we eat the right foods for breakfast, we provide our muscles and brains with the fuel they need for optimal performance. Ayan. So it also help avoid blood sugar swing and reduce craving. So bakit po? Kasi ano ba yung blood sugar swing? So ito yung rapid fluctuation in blood glucose level. So when ang blood natin, when our blood sugar levels rise too high, ang nangyayari po kasi ang body natin nagre-release ng insulin to bring them back. Pero pag ang blood naman natin, blood sugar natin levels drop too low, ang nangyayari po, the body may experience symptoms such as hunger, fatigue, and irritability. So, i-avoid po natin yung mga blood sugar swings natin, and reducing cravings requires a combination of healthy diets, regular exercise, and stress management. Plus, syempre, yung dapat may adequate sleep tayo. So, by making these healthy lifestyle changes, we can help to regulate our blood sugar levels na nakakatulong po ito to avoid, to reduce cravings and ma-maintain natin yung ating good health. Ayan. So, next naman po is help you make better food choices throughout the day. Balik pa po, Coach Nida. So, study shows that the people who eat breakfast generally have more healthy diets, have better eating habits, and mas less ang cravings nila throughout the day sa mga unhealthy snacks. So, gentle reminder lang po sa ating mga parents pagka may mga bagets pa tayo kasi yung children daw who eat an inadequate breakfast in the morning are more likely to make food choices, not only for the rest of the day but also over the long period of time. Bakit po? Kasi pwede nila itong makasanayan na. Kaya ang dami po sa ating mga millennials ngayon, siguro hindi natin naturuan ng healthy breakfast dati, kaya ang dami po na mga wala sa mga ideal weight because of the food choices na binibigay natin. Okay, so it also provides enough protein to help support muscle health. So eating enough protein in the morning not only helps satisfy hunger, but also it also help maintain and muscle mass. And dapat po nating i-goal, 'di ba? Sabi nga sa atin, tinuro yan sa atin, na we need to goal yung 20 to 30 grams of protein ang ma-include natin sa ating meal. Bakit po? Kasi if hindi evenly distributed throughout the day yung ating protina na sa ating food, this may not provide the best condition for building and repairing our muscle tissue. So kailangan po mindful tayo na every time tayo magkakain, na i-discuss po yan. Kaya natutuwa ako dito sa ating Herbalife kasi sa some training may speaker talaga na i-discuss yan sa ating wellness tour ata yun. So kailangan pala dapat distributed, hindi yung your protein na kailangan ng katawan mo pero sa umaga mo lang siya tinitake or kaya sa hapon. So dapat pala yung 3 times a day tayong kumakain, equally distributed yung ating protein. Okay. So next slide po. Just in case naman na nag-crave ka, ayan, na maiba naman ang breakfast mo. Always remember that should have the right amount of protein to satisfy hunger and support our muscles. So also, plus healthy carbohydrates for your energy. And for those naman na nasa program, sabi ni Susan Bowerman, if your calorie budget allows you, you can add some whole grains as well. So with this simple guidelines na i-share niya, here are 7 healthy breakfast suggestions. So number 1, cook some fresh or frozen spinach in the microwave. So pwede natin gawin to, itap lang natin ng scrambled eggs and then with fresh veggies on the side. So di ba napakasarap niyan pagka tinry natin yan. So second naman po, next slide, ito yung syempre yung ating protein shake. Na-discuss ni Coach Annalyn kanina yung benefits ng ating protein. So para kasi ang dami nating flavors na pwedeng pagpilian, diba? So para hindi tayo magsawa. You can add fruits, you can add oatmeal, basta ang bottom line dyan is yan yung ating isa sa suggest niya, yung dapat daw protein shake, you can try that. Mas madali pa siyang gawin. So next naman po, ang third na sinuggest niya is, ayan, plain non-fat or low-fat yogurt or cottage cheese. Sabi niya, itap daw natin with cinnamon, either fresh fruits or cinnamons, yan. And ang maganda pa dyan, na-try ko to ang sarap lang kasi mas alam mo na may enjoy mo talaga kesa naman kasi may pinakita siya dati doon sa, you can ask your coaches, alam ko na i-share etong ni Susan Bowerman, itong paano mo siya gagawin yung pinaka-deep niya na yogurt niya. And ang must try po talaga kasi napakasarap niya. So, pwede ka rin mag-add ng fruits diyan sa pinapare mo na yan. Okay, so next naman po, number 4 na sinare niya na is rolled oats prepared with milk, soy, o kaya tapos meron kang protein powder on the side plus fruits and vegetables. So, eto siniserve to ng ibang merong nutrition club, 'di ba? Siniserve namin ito. Pwede kang gumawa ng overnight oats kasi ang dali-dali lang i-prepare. Sa gabi, prepare mo lang yan, mix-mix lang, wala kang luto-luto. And then sa umaga, itap mo lang siya ng mga favorite fruits mo na pwede mo, na may enjoy mo. Even yung mga nuts, almonds yan, pwede mo siyang ihalo. And napakabigat sa tiyan kasi busog na busog ka talaga. So next naman po that you can try is also ito po, yung corn tortilla, so heated and spread with black beans, topped with grated low-fat cheese and salsa. So pwede ka rin mag-add on ng mga fruits on the side. So ito, isa pa rin niya sa napakasarap. Meron tayong itong tortilla na yan is mai-enjoy mo talaga. Next naman po is eto, whole grain toast spread with avocado, topped with sliced and turkey. Siyempre, mahirap sa Philippines ang turkey, mas medyo expensive. Pwede mo siyang i-replace ng chicken, no? And then, put veggies and on the side. So, mai-enjoy mo talaga siya. Dapat lang yung bread mo is whole grain. Okay, so lastly, eto, yung ating next naman po na sinuggest as whole grain crackers. So, if you have crackers, spread, and non-fat ricotta cheese, ayan, pwede po. Dapat lang yung crackers natin is yung hindi skyflakes. Dapat at least marami naman tayong makikita nito sa grocery. Yung whole grain dapat yung pinaka-crackers natin. So pwede kang maglagay ng combination. Alam mo naman na may enjoy mo. You can put some peanut butter, tapos add on ka ng fruits. Ayan. So may enjoy mo po talaga yan. So lastly, ayan. So syempre, dito na tayo sa make it complete healthy breakfast. Kung talagang natin, kasi for me medyo naano ko doon mas kung ako magpe-prepare pa, mas gusto ko na talaga to. Nasanay na talaga ako na ito yung breakfast ko. So ang gandaming benefits na discussion ni Coach Annalyn kanina and ang easy to prepare pa. Ayan. So again, next slide po. a good breakfast is a start of a good day. So, saan ka pa, diba? Syempre, hindi nyo ba nafe-feel na pag maganda yung breakfast natin, magaan ang pakiramdam, mas, mas may enjoy mo siya, madaling i-prepare kung nagmamadali ka, kung, in just 3 minutes, meron ka ng breakfast. Ayan, hope you learned something from my, sa mga na-share ko. Thank you, thank you. Back to you, Coach Jess.